How to put the picture on TikTok comments. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now head over to the video that you want to comment the picture. So let's say this is the video in which I want to comment the picture. Tap on this comment icon. Now tap and hold any of the comment that you like. The option of reply with video will be available to you. Tap on it. And then tap on upload. From here, select the picture that you want to comment. Let's say I want to comment this picture. Click on it and then tap on next at the bottom right corner. Once again tap on next. Now all you want to do is tap on post at the bottom right corner. Once it has been uploaded, the picture will be presented and will be added as a comment to that comment. So that's it, and this is simply how you can put the picture on TikTok comments. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.